Hi friends, this is Devotee Physiotherapist. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In last video we have learned about the what is joint, different types of joint with its example. So I hope you all have learned something from this video. So today we are going to read about the next topic, that is muscle, about the muscle. So let's start. What is muscle? Muscle is a soft tissue in the body that allows for movement and supports the body's organs. Around 600 muscles are there in a human body, and muscles perform many useful functions, and it helps the human to do everything in day to day life. And next is its classification. Muscles are basically classified depending on three factors. What are the factors? First factor is depending upon the presence or absence of striations, depending upon the control, and next, that is last factor, is depending upon the situation. So these are three factors. Next factor is depending upon the presence or absence of striations. Before going to the classification, before going to the types, we should know what is striations. Striations are the alternating light and dark band-like structures that are visible in certain muscle fibers. So let's read completely about the different type. Depending upon the presence or absence of the striations, the muscles are mainly divided into two types. First is striated muscles, and second one is non-striated muscles. So from the name striated muscles, that is, these muscles are having large number of cross striations. What are the striations? The dark and light band-like structures. The skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle are involved in this category. About skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle, we will discuss later in this video. The next type is non-striated muscle. Means from the name non-striated, that is absence. The striations are absent in this type of muscle. So this type of muscles does not have any striations. This type of muscles is called as plain or smooth muscle. It is found in the wall of the visceral organs. Basically, this type of muscles are found in viscera of the body. So next factor is depending upon the control. Means the human may be control the action of the muscle or cannot control the action of the muscles. So depending upon the second factor, that is depending upon the control, it is divided into two types, that is voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles, this type of muscles is controlled by ourselves, controlled by will. All the skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. Example, all the skeletal muscles, like we are doing various type of activities in day to day life. So these type of activities are done by the skeletal muscles, and the skeletal muscles are under the control of our will. Then next is involuntary muscles. This type of muscles can't be controlled by ourselves. Cardiac muscle and smooth muscles are involved in this category. So we can't control the action of the cardiac muscle and the action of the smooth muscles. So this type of muscles are involved in this category, that is involuntary muscles. The next and last factor, that is depending upon the situation. The muscles are divided into three types, that is skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscles, this type of muscles is situated in association with bones and forms the skeletal system. All the skeletal muscles forms the body, and the skeletal muscles are voluntary and striated. Means the dark and light bands are present in this type of muscles. They form 40 to 50% of the whole body mass. Next type of muscle is cardiac muscle. This is a specific type of muscle which is only present in the musculature of heart. Only present in heart. In other part of the body, it is not found. This type of muscle is striated and involuntary. Then last, that is smooth muscle. This type of muscles are situated in association with viscera. It is also known as visceral muscles. It is completely different from cardiac muscle and skeletal muscle. Because of the absence of the cross striations, it is named as smooth muscle. It was all about the muscle and types of muscle. For handwritten notes, direct DM me on my Instagram account, that is Devotee Physiotherapist. And for more update, never forget to follow this account and like, share, subscribe, and never forget to press the bell icon. If you have any doubt, drop a comment in this channel. Thank you.